Did you know that you can connect your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with your exercise machines as well, so that both of them can work together to give you the best data? To turn this feature on, go in Settings, go in Health Settings, scroll all the way down, and here you will see Share Data with Devices and Services. Here you can connect your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with health platforms. Here in health platforms, you can allow all, or you can select what you want to receive from the health platform and what you want to send to the health platform: activity, blood oxygen, blood body composition, heart rate, and all of this. And then the next one is exercise machines. So you can still use the basic features for the service even if you do not turn on the optional permission. So you can turn on heart rate, profile optional, and stuff like that. So now your watch will work with your exercise machines, which is fantastic. You can also connect it with your TVs, and it will share heart rate and calories burned with your TV, and it shows up there.